Bala from 10th class. I am explaining the topic about ray diagram of an object placed between two F1 and F1 for concave lens. Here 2F1 means center of curvature and F1 means focal point or focus. Let us take a concave lens and draw a principal axis. Is 2F1, F1. Is F2, 2F2. Here our topic is about an object is placed between 2F1 and F1. So we have to place an object here. This object. Here the first light ray is drawn parallel to the principal axis and meet at one point on concave lens and diverges. And the second light ray is gone through the optic center. Here we have to extend the first light ray towards the F1. Here these two rays meet at one point. This is the image of the object. Here these two light rays meet at one point. It is the image of the object. Here we get an erected, visual and dimension size of a point source. Here we get an image of this object. And our next topic is about example 4. In this example 4, we have to take a convex lens. And we have to take a principal axis and name the points M and N. It is F2 and F1. S means here point source of an object. From the point source of an object, we have to draw a ray. The ray meet at one point on convex lens. It is denoted by Pi. It is denoted by Pi. And the ray gets refracted and again meet the principal axis. It is denoted by I. Here the first ray is gone through the convex lens and gets refracted and meet the principal axis and it is denoted by I. And the second ray which is parallel and goes through the optic center. The second ray is drawn parallel to the, see friends, the first ray is parallel to the second ray. Parallel second ray. So here we get these 2 points intersect at one point. It is denoted by F0. Here these 2 points we have to draw a normal ray from these 2 intersected points and it is perpendicular to the principal axis and it will meet at F1. Here I is the image of the point source of an object. Thank you friends.
Hi everyone, I am Durga from 10th class. Today I am going to explain example 5. We have to complete the given ray diagram. First draw a convex lens. And and we have to draw the principal axis which is passing through the convex lens. We have to mark the points F2 and F1. Now we have to draw the first light ray which meet on the convex lens. And after it meet on the convex lens, it refract on the principal axis. Now we have to draw the second light ray which is parallel to the first light ray and which passes through the optic center. Now this first and second light ray intersect at a point. Now we have to draw the normal from the point. The normal meet on the F1. The length between intersected point and F1 is size of the object. This is the ray diagram. Now I'll explain again. We have to draw the convex lens and we have to draw a principal axis which is passing through the convex lens, and we have to draw the first light ray which meets on the convex lens and again refract on the principal axis. We have to draw the second light ray which is parallel to the first light ray, and these two light rays intersect at a point where we have to draw normal from that point which meet on the F1. The length between the intersected point and F1 is the size of the object.
Go.
Now we have to complete the ray diagram of this ray diagram. Now draw the concave lens, and we have to draw the principal axis which is passing through the concave lens, and we have to mark the points as F1 and F2. Now we have to draw the first light ray which meet on the convex lens and diverges. And we have to draw the second light ray parallel to the first light ray. We have to draw the second light ray parallel to the first light ray which passes through the optic center. Now we have to put the first light ray towards the second light ray in the backward direction. These two intersect at a point. Now we have to draw a normal from the intersected point. That's it. Once again I am explaining this. First we have to draw the concave lens and we have to draw the principal axis which is passing through the concave lens. After that we have to draw the first light ray which meets on the concave lens and diverges. Again we have to draw the second light ray which is parallel to the first light ray and which passes through the optic center. Now we have to extend the first light ray to the second light ray in the backward direction. These two intersect at a point. We have to draw the normal from the points which meet on the F1. Thank you very much.